Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. This Pine Bluff Regional Park provides access to Lake Langhofer and the Arkansas River. Among many services available, there are 6 boat launching ramps, boat dock, softball complex, picnic area, and a fishing pond. This place is very quiet, clean, and has beautiful sights. If you like water, this is the place to be. I enjoy the weather here with family and friends. Beautiful place for outing, exercise, outdoor adventure, or peace of mind. Pine Bluff Regional Park is another destination that I would add to your list. Have fun! Have a great day! Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. Or click one of these videos. Thanks again and see you in the next video. Bye!